Hello, hi, how are you? I am back again and I wanted to do a quick catch-up video. So a year ago, actually a year and 3 months ago, I bought myself some 1 year roses, and I thought they are a little bit more money than regular roses, a lot more money actually, and they are a bit of an investment, but I really wanted them and I thought they were so pretty. And after about 3 months, I thought I'm really happy with these. I want to do a video about them. So this time last year, I posted a review video about my 1 year roses. Now I'm doing a 1 year on, how they look, how they're faring, and actually, do they look good? Have they disintegrated? Do they look bad? Do they look like they're gonna carry on for another 12 months? So I'm here, I'm gonna show you. I've got them right here. So there's quite a few companies that do these kind of like forever roses. They're actually called forever roses, but they don't last forever. They last about a year. They are real flowers. They have been very carefully preserved. I think they're like freeze dried or something, I'm not sure, but they look incredibly fresh, incredibly lovely. They look like real roses in a box. They're super easy to care for. You literally do nothing. Like literally you do nothing and that's you looking after them. If you want to dust them, you can get a super soft kind of like, not a blusher brush, but maybe like a highlighter brush, just like a little fan brush, and like give them a dust. You can also do this, which I have done like twice in that time. And you can maybe just like, you know, give them a little tap, see if anything comes off them. You also keep them out of direct sunlight, you don't water them, and you basically just look at them and enjoy them. And like, I've got blusher on me. You basically just look at them and enjoy them, and I don't know, you pay a little bit more for them, but they last a really long time and they look lovely forever. And actually, in the last year, I think I've spent less on roses than I have in the last 5 years. So I think they've actually really paid off well. So I've taken a load of close-up details of the roses and the petals, but hopefully you can see, I think they actually look incredible. I have the Paris pink ones, I have 12. They cost me £109. I think shipping was free, or maybe about £5. I got mine from 1 year roses, which are UK based. But genuinely, I think they look really good. There's a couple of like little tears to the end of some of the rose petals. There's a little bit of dirt on like 1 or 2 of them, but honestly, I think they look incredible. And since they're meant to last a year, and they have actually lasted a year and 3 months, I think they're amazing and I'm super happy with them. And I hope this video helps you, because actually I think if you love them and you want them, then yeah, they last really well and they look really good. I have enjoyed them a lot. I've used them a lot. I've used them a lot on blog pictures. I've just genuinely really liked having them on this little side here. They just look really fresh and lovely. And yeah, £109 isn't cheap to spend on freeze-dried flowers. But if you are a flower buying addict like I am / was, then I think they're pretty good. I think they're a really good investment. I would highly recommend them. I obviously went for them without the Diamante. I didn't really like the Diamante. I thought they looked a bit cheap. I love the Paris pink. I love the Paris pink with the pink box. And yeah, I'm genuinely really happy with them, and I hope that helps. They are, yeah, they're a real treat. Anyway, that is my flowers. That's them after a year and 3 months. And yeah, highly recommended. I'm honestly, genuinely very impressed with them. So I hope that video is of help. Obviously, I've not been sponsored. This is not paid for promotion. I don't even think I have an affiliate link, but I thought it might be helpful in case you are thinking about buying yourself some forever roses too. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye, goodbye. Oh, and please do subscribe. It would be lovely to see you again. Okay, bye.